Recovering from a breakup or simply trying to forget a person you love can be a very tough task. You may find yourself incapable of moving forward, and you may even have convinced yourself that forgetting that someone is totally impossible because this person is everywhere and moving on isn't just an option for you at the moment. Technically, this is pretty much normal for everyone who loved someone and is now trying to forget that someone. However, this is not how things have to be and should be. There is more to life than this depression that you are keeping yourself into. So, by simply doing some modifications in your environment, taking hold of a new perspective, and getting busy with the pleasures of life, you can easily make the pain and that someone is a thing of your past. So, now coming up are the ways that are found to be helpful in forgetting someone who was once always in your mind. So, the first is let it all out. If you just recently came from a breakup and the pain is still very fresh, it might be very helpful for you to cry, admit and face the fact that it's hurting you so much. Feel the pain and soar your eyes out. Just let go all the emotions that haunt you inside. Speak your mind and shout your lungs out. This will make you feel little lighter and leave the misery behind. Just keep in mind that denial should never be an option for you right now, because ignoring your feelings will only make things worse. Next is burn all bridges down. See guys, forgetting someone requires a lot of determination and willpower. It's a decision that you should be ready to stand up for. And one of the decisions that you may find difficult right now is to cut all the ties between you and her. However, you must know that you can never forget someone that you always see and come in contact with. So from now on, no calls, no emails, no texting, and certainly no stalking in Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. Try to delete her from every place you can. What I mean here is that try to delete her number, try to delete any picture of her that you have in your mobile, try to delete every single piece of thing that reminds you of her. Just every single thing. Next thing that you have to accept is that let the karma do the thing. See guys, being angry at someone would only make you have the desire for the revenge, and this would only make moving on more difficult for you. So learn how to let go and let the karma give her the appropriate payback for whatever unpleasant thing that she did to you. So next thing is keep your mind distracted. Apparently, you control your thoughts and no one else does. This means that thinking about her is always a choice. However, if you are a type of a person who has nothing to do, then in such a case it is not that easy for you to keep your mind distracted. See guys, what I'm telling you here is that it is very tough to keep your mind distracted if you are doing absolutely nothing. So try to do things that keep you busy. Just do whatever you have to do that will keep you busy, because when you have things to keep your mind preoccupied, then in this way she will definitely fade into the background. Next thing that is very important that you have to do, I know it's tough but you gotta do this, that is meet new people. I know meeting new people might be very hard for you at the moment, but this could be a very helpful way of forgetting her. The next is take your time. Allow yourself to heal gradually. As what the famous saying goes, time heals. Just don't rush, especially into having a new love. Wait until you are ready. Because pushing yourself too hard would only end up in rebounds, and this will make you feel worse and more complicated. And the last thing that you have to do is that forgive and forget. Okay, here's the thing guys, to end such a thing, forgiving is the only key to forgetting someone. They are just humans, things happen, mistakes are made, but despite this, life goes on. Though you don't have to really come up to her and say that I forget you, okay? But also, in addition, don't forget to forgive yourself too. I know a number of people hold grudges against themselves more easily than they hold grudges against others. Just remember that at that time both of you made a decision and that you only did what you thought was right. No one is necessary to blame or is at fault. So that's it for this video guys. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to share this video with one of your friends who is or maybe will go from a breakup. This will help him for sure. So thank you guys again for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that red subscribe button for more of such videos.